Congrats on getting this far. It is finally time to test out all the work that we have done up until this point. So with me here are two windows, and on one I'm going to be running the server and on the other the malware. However, there's a small bug that I want us to fix right here, and that is for these two variables right here. They each need to have their own pair of curly braces. So I'm going to close this one right here and open another one right there. Once you have made that fix, we can now execute our malware and see how it goes. So let me start the server, and the command for that is python 3 space server.py. Hit enter, and as you can see, it is listening for incoming connections. And on the other window, we are going to start our malware. Now, first of all, we turn off the Go 1.11 module feature with Go 111 module equals to off, and then go run main.go. Hit enter, and as you can see, we receive a connection right here on our server's terminal. Now we can try the whoami command, and we get back the username of the currently logged on user. We can try pwd to give us the current working directory, and it works perfectly fine. We can even try ifconfig, which will give us the network information, and we receive the entire message. Now that is shell command execution, and the other feature our malware has is to change directories. So we can try to use the cd command to navigate, for example, one directory up. So cd ... and let us check where we are. And as you can see, we have moved one directory upwards into the desktop. Now let us try to capture a screenshot and see whether or not it will be captured and sent back to our server. So the command for that was screenshot. Hit enter, and we get a notification that the screenshot has been saved successfully. So let us check the location of our server, and as you can see right here, we've gotten a screenshot.png the exact same time, so it has been captured right now, and as you can see, the command works. Now the other capability our malware has is file download. So that allows us to transfer files from our target machine to our local machine. So let me navigate to the malware directory, pwd. So we are there, and doing a file listing, we have our main.go, which is the actual malware, and the plan.txt. So I'm going to test out the download feature with the plan.txt and see whether or not it will appear on our server side. So I'm going to hit enter, and we get a notification that the file has been saved successfully, and checking right here, we have it. So we can open it, and as you can see, these are the plans that we had written before developing our malware. Now the other thing is file upload, which is the opposite of file download. So we are basically going to try and transfer a file from our server to our malware. So for that, I'm going to create a simple test file. So I'm going to simply create a test file, and as you can see, we have it right here. And so I'm going to try and use the upload command to move it to our malware. So we don't have it right here, but I'm going to do upload test file and hit enter, and we get a notification that the file has been uploaded successfully, and looking right here, we have the file. The other thing that you want to try out is the quit command, but before that, I want us to try out persistence. So the command for that was persist. Hit enter, and guess what? We get a success notification here that persistence has been established successfully. And finally now, for the queue or quit command, which is supposed to close the connection and terminate our malware. So I'm going to do quit and hit enter, and as you can see right here, we receive a notification closing connection, and our malware on the other end terminates. So as you can see, all the features in our malware work as expected. In the next section, we shall look at next steps that you can take to improve our malware, as well as the conclusion. See you there.